Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's come and join us here. Today we are going to show you how to make a sea turtle. So let's prepare the balloon. Here we use the white and the red color. So we start make with the red color. Like you see, take some size for the finger bubble. And continue with the loop twisting. Okay, we make it for two. So one is a finger bubble and the other one is will be for the loop twisting. Okay, leave that and get the white color. So for the white color, we can make a small pin twist. Okay, we need two pieces of small pin twist. So do the other one. Make sure you make it the same size. And now that one, we are going to twist. Okay, so the white and the red color, we meet them. Yeah, and now I'll take some size that's around, I think it's about 8 fingers bubble, and twist them together. Next with the red color here, we make with the loop twisting. We need two pieces, the loop twisting, and make sure you make the same size. Alright, so for like this. Okay, and then we back to the white color. So the white color, we can follow the first of the bubble. So take the same size and twist that. So the white color, we need for 3 pieces of the bubble here. Alright, so that's for the finger bubble. So the finger bubble here is for the body part. Alright, so now we can adjust that. So after we adjust for the position of the twisting, we back to the white color and then we uninflate for the white color here. Don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Alright, after we uninflate that and then tie the balloon, and please don't cut for the rest of the balloon because we are going to use back again. Like you see, we inflate that again. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Alright, for the white color here, we make a very small balloon. sorry, very small bubble. Use the balloon that we inflate just now. So the small bubble, we make it along of the body for the turtle. Alright, so this is that. Okay, this is for the eyes. So the eyes we make with dark color. Okay, for the eyes, we make it one by one. So make sure that will be the same size. Just make it tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon. Okay, so this is the she turtle that we show you how to make it for today. And for finishing, you can get your marker and start mark. Okay, so this is for the cute sea turtle. Use the balloon twisting. I hope you enjoy this video and you get your turtle, so you can use that to be your toys. You can enjoy your time by playing the turtle balloon. So before you leave this video, please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you again and bye bye.